Welcome to the TMHP YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to successfully register as an ITP. If you need additional help from a TMHP call center representative, call the number 800-925-9126. Before we get started, you'll need your Atypical Provider Identifier, or API. You can find this identifier in the ITP registration letter that was physically mailed to you. You'll use your API to get set up in the Provider Enrollment and Management System, also known as PEMS, on tmhp.com. First, you'll need to create a provider enrollment account. Go to secure.tmhp.com/account activation and click Create a Provider Enrollment Account. Then click Next. The Create New Account page will open. Complete the fields that are marked with a red asterisk. Note, the business telephone field box may be your home telephone. Read the general terms and conditions and click the checkbox next to the statement, I agree to these terms. Click the checkbox to confirm that you're not a robot and click Submit. You now have a provider enrollment account. You will get 3 confirmation emails. The email with the subject line, Welcome to TMHP I Am Online, will notify you that your TMHP user account is active and ready for use. You will need to click the Activate Account button, which will redirect you to the TMHP I Am Online sign-in page where you will be prompted to complete activation. This involves setting up your new password and security method of choice. Click Setup. Enter and re-enter your new password. Be sure to follow the listed password requirements. Then click Next. You may add an additional security method by clicking Set Up. However, email is the default security method for all users in TMHP IM Online. In this scenario, we will click Continue to skip the optional setup for Google Authenticator and Okta Verify. Note, for more information on managing your security methods and TMHP user account, refer to the account management webpage on tmhp.com. You will now be taken to the TMHP I Am Online dashboard where you can click the Provider Enrollment and Management System, PEMS, application to finish your ITP registration. Now that you're logged into PEMS, click Start New Enrollment to begin your registration. Take a moment to read all the information on the page. When you're ready, click Continue. Select Register as an individual transportation participant. Enter the API number that we sent you by mail. Read the Texas privacy statement. Click the checkbox next to the statement, I have read and agree to the Texas privacy statement and laws. Click Begin Enrollment/Registration. Your registration will already have some of your information filled out. Make sure that the information is correct. You must fill out any field with a red asterisk. Participants will need to fill out their driver's license information and vehicle insurance information. Important: verify that your email and home address are correct. When you enter your home address, our system will check to see if it shows up on a map. If we can't find it, but you still want to use it, click the Continue with Address Entered checkbox. Our system will also check the other fields to see if they're empty or have other problems. If they do, the system will tell you what the problem is so that you can fix it. Tip: don't lose your work. Click the Save button at the bottom of each page before moving from section to section. The View Instructions button can be found at the bottom of each page if you need more help. Clicking this will take you to the PEMS instructional site. Let's continue to the next section. Click Client Panel on the left-hand navigation panel. In the Client panel, tell us how you're related to the client. Click the ellipsis icon, the three dots at the far right, and click Open. Click on the Relationship drop-down menu. Select your relationship to the client. Click Save. Next, let's go to the Disclosures section. If you chose Self or Related in the Client panel, you don't have to complete this page. If you chose Other on the Client panel page, then you must fill out this page. If you click Yes on any of the questions, you may be asked more questions. Click Save before moving on to the next section, Accounting/Billing. Enter the address where you want TMHP to send your checks and tax statements. Click Verify to check the address. Let's move on to the W-9 section. Our system will automatically fill out the information that you provided on previous pages. You must fill out the remaining information. If you need help filling out your W-9 form, go to www.irs.gov/form W-9. Now let's go to the EFT section. The fastest way you can get paid is with direct deposits. If you want to use direct deposits, complete the EFT page. If you don't want to use direct deposits, you will not need to fill out this page. Click the checkbox to confirm that you do not wish to participate in the EFT program. Click Save before heading over to the Attachments section. You can upload all your required documents on the Attachments page. You must upload the following documents: an image of your current and valid auto insurance issued in the United States, and a copy of your current and valid driver's license. The name listed on your vehicle insurance card, driver's license, and social security card must all be the same. Note: for more help with attachments, watch the attachments video found on the PEMS YouTube playlist. Now let's head over to our last section, Agreements. You must electronically sign the ITP agreement before you can submit your registration application. If you chose to use direct deposit, you must also sign an agreement. Note: for more help with agreements, watch the Signing Agreements video found on the PEMS YouTube playlist. After you sign the agreement, verify that you've completed everything. If everything is complete, click Submit. When you click Submit, the system will check all of the information that you provided. If it finds any problems, it will tell you what you need to fix. To fix them, click on the page names with red exclamation points in the left-hand navigation pane. After you fix all of the problems, click Submit. TMHP will review it and send you an email that tells you if it was approved or denied. Reminder: if you need additional help from a TMHP call center representative, call the number 800-925-9126.